Hi, I'm Greg from RV Haulers. In this video, if you're interested in seeing us put this deck on that RV hauler, join us. Here we go. All right, Rob's pulling ahead. We've got our trailer disconnected. We're at our other yard. You're used to seeing us out in the country. This is our fabrication yard. And there we go. There's Marcus. If you've watched my videos for years, you know that guy's been in a lot of them. Marcus is the guy that leads our fabrication. He's been doing this with us for 12 years. And here we've got Spencer. Spencer's waving. So this bed is going to be craned off or hoisted off. We're just going to put it into our bay here and lift it up and back the truck underneath, and hopefully everything fits. Does it look good, Spencer? Do you like your paint job?
Looks pretty good.
I like our paint job too.
Excited to see it.
She turned out beauty. You can see her reflection.
Yeah, I'm like, sure my view's not everywhere. There.
I don't have much to say about that. Well, there's our next build right behind it. That is a fire retardant blanket. So we just protect all of our trucks when they're here in the shop. And we're just about to hang the sides on this bed. This is a long one as well. Actually, not quite as long, but that one's coming together nicely too. And there's the single piece sides that are getting hung on this bed. When you look at these, we've got these 2x2s we put on there. We've developed this technique just to make sure there's no warping of the bed as we weld it. And we also leave this section in place, again, just for the rigidity until we get it mounted on the bed, the primary frame. And our overhead crane will get it mounted here quick. So this bed is so long. Usually we would have D-rings at the corners. We would have them mounted up here. Because this is a longer bed, we actually had to put D-rings in the surface of the bed for lifting. Okay, the reason Marcus is smiling like he's smiling is he is proud of the balance point where he mounted these D-rings. Look at that. It's like perfectly level. Sometimes it's odd how we take pleasure in those little things. We like, you're never gonna see it as an RV hauler owner that we put those D-rings in a balanced point, but it makes us feel good. All right, Rob's and Dingo, we're backing up.
That one in. Down, buddy. How's that? Yeah.
One of the lights back here is starting to melt a little bit.
Oh, fuck. I thought me underneath this. You wired it, didn't you?
Hey, Val. Hey, if you've enjoyed watching some of our RV hauler builds, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. There's a subscribe button I'm going to bring up on the screen at the end of this video, or just go down below. Hey, something else I'd really like to hear from you is if you have any questions, if you'd like to see some videos, specific content, let me know. Questions and future content always comes from you guys. You always have the great ideas. Well, Rob is going to take Dingo back to our other yard. We're going to hook up to our one of our little flat deck trailers here. Thanks to Marcus again for all the great fabrication work that he's been doing with us for the last 12 years. Want to just leave it underneath, Spencer? Or will it drag? And the lights work. It's always nice when the trailer plug works. Thanks for watching our videos.